Hello, I'm Adya. I'm a student at Infinity Scholars Hub. At Infinity Scholars Hub, we have only 25 to 30 students per classroom. I find this very helpful in my learning experience as it has certain advantages such as: first, individual attention. Teachers can give more personalized attention to each student, helping to identify and address their unique strengths and weaknesses. Second, better classroom management. Fewer students make it easier for teachers to manage the classroom, maintain discipline, and create a positive learning environment. Third, enhance student participation. With fewer students, each one has more opportunities to participate in discussions, ask questions, and engage in classroom activities, promoting active learning. Fourth, improved academic performance. Students often perform academically better when they receive more individual attention and are more engaged in the learning process. Customized instruction. Teachers can tailor their teaching methods and materials to better suit the needs and learning styles of each student, enhancing overall learning outcomes. If you find this helpful, you can also make your learning experience better with Infinity Scholars Hub.